Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson, and I'm back today with just two trades I did. I did 2 pound trades. I was trading the flow of the market, and today's date is November the 30th, and I'm using the HA trigger system. HA stands for Heikin-Ashi candles. That's what you're looking at the moment. I was definitely late getting to the computer, and I was not going to trade today, but when I saw the more or less half decent trade setups, I decided to take the trade. It was also based on pound strength. As you can see, the pound is still at the top on the meter, and it was around 1/4 to 10 to 10, so definitely running a little bit on the late side. But let's see where I got in on this. Let's do the pound Aussie first here. Doesn't make any difference. This was the better looking of the two trades. So on this pound Aussie, you drag and drop it up. As I said, I got in really late. Should have got in way back here. But it is what it is. But I knew that it was going to work its way up to at least the ADR or past. Should have just waited for a bit more of a pullback. But I knew with the charts looking like this that I was going to grab some pips. And this is a great example of a great way to trade, whereas using the moving averages and the indicators down at the bottom. So as I said, I got in this trade and I kept a close eye on it. Sometimes you're going to need a bigger than a 20 pip stop. But once it started to go and break the top up here, then I tightened up my stop to this point. That's where that little red mark is. And eventually I closed out the trade for no particular reason other than I was happy with the totals down at the bottom. And I ended up closing out the trade, looks like 29 pips. And 29 pips on the pound Aussie paid $2,059. And looking at the charts after, actually, I noticed that this was a pretty good setup for a Fibmaster trade. Let's just run a check on it. Swing low to swing high. It did come back to entry 1. As I said, would have been better. If I would have actually put the Fibmaster on it, would have forced me to just wait for the pullback to either 1, 2, or 3. It did hit 1. And it did actually hit the target 2, which is what you're aiming for. This is for you traders who already got this fib tool, the Fibmaster tool. So remember, it's always better to wait for a bit of a pullback, as I teach in all my videos. Wait for the pullback, and then you can jump in on this good looking trade. So good example of a great way to trade and using the Fibmaster tool. Moving on to the let's see, pound New Zealand. This was a little bit more messy, but I knew with the pound strength that it was going to give me some pips. So on this pound New Zealand, let's see where I got in at. Actually looks like another good Fibonacci retracement, but I did take the trade here. And as I said, it did go against me quite a few pips, but I knew that it was going to continue to go up based on combination of a great way to trade and the fib. I just didn't wait long enough. Should have waited till it got around the goal line. But anyhow, still another successful trade producing, and I did close out the trade. I saw that it hitting this double top and the ADR high, so I just closed out the trade. It looks like 37 or 38. Let's go with 37 pips, and 37 pips on the pound New Zealand paid $2,595. Another pretty good day of trading with my HA trigger. Let's run a fib on it, just see how that would have worked out. Swing low, swing high, came back to entry 2, and as you can see, it actually hit not only target 2, but it also hit target 3. This is a great Fibonacci tool. I recommend that you get your hands on it if you're the type of trader who's impatient and you're not waiting for the pullback. As you can see, that I qualify for that also. I'm not the world's greatest trader, but I do teach what you should be doing. And sometimes I even break those rules. And when I break the rules, and then obviously I'll need a bigger than a 20 pip stop. Not a big deal. I know that it's going to go up. And when you know it's going to go, then you take the trade and you just hang around for the pullback and then continuation of the up move. So out of the 2 trades, the pip total actually gave me 66 pips, and 66 pips was $4,654. My goal on it every day when I'm trading, I like to get 50 or more pips, and I do it on regularly. And also out of these 2 trades, it was actually the pound Aussie that looked the best as far as a great way to trade. This trade looked better. And there were some other trades that I could have taken, but I figured 2 pairs should give me my 50 pips. And that's all what I'm looking for when I'm trading. So if your system is not producing like my HA trigger, I suggest you get your hands on it. And I just wanted to quickly show you this this FibMaster full course. I'm not going to read everything going through here, as I am really busy today, have some things I got to do, but it is the FibMaster full course. I do charge $250 for it, and basically you can put this on pause and you can see all the different things that I am teaching. So, but let's move forward to the HA trigger system that I do, again, charge $250, and it's the Heikinashi. It's an advanced one that has 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 9 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Would not trade without it. Many years ago I never did use the meter, and I was losing money. And if you're losing money, that is what you need a meter. And keep in mind that all meters are not equal. And I went through about 12 of them before I found this very good one. So make sure you get your hands on a very good meter. So now there's a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents. This is what you need. A lot of education to succeed at trading the markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, as you can see. So I teach a lot of ways. That's why there's 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. My number 1 way of trading is a great way to trade. Good example on the right side here. And also within all the videos, I give a lot of advanced training and tips and tricks. I teach how to get near perfect timing entries, along with how to stay in the trade for more pips. I teach how to trade at the right hand edge, also how to trade higher time frames, and of course I show and teach how to trade the version number 2, the new and improved HA trigger. Now in most videos I do show a lot of great trade setups, and of course I also teach how to back test using the HA trigger. Now I also teach how to scan the market, how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close, which happens to be 11 a.m. New York time. Also teach how to trade pullbacks and reversals. Also teach how to trade the goal line, how to trade the news, and of course how to trade with a day job. So if you have any questions at all, simple, pick up the phone and call me. I actually do answer the phone. And if you If you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore here. Now, I really do prefer Skype, and through Skype, all you got to do is click on this link. We'll be connected, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, which will probably last for about 45 minutes, depending on how many questions you have. Now, of course, over the course of many years, I've been building trigger systems. If you click on this link right here, you'll see 27 screenshots. So that just about wraps up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.